Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Quizlet on your phone. First, download the Quizlet app from your device's app store, whether it's an Apple or Android phone. Once installed, open the app and either create a new, free account or log in using your existing credentials. The home screen is your starting point, offering quick access to your recent sets and a powerful search bar to find millions of study materials created by others. It's super easy to get started and find what you need. Creating your own study sets on Quizlet is straightforward and highly beneficial. Simply tap the prominent plus icon, usually found at the bottom of your screen, to start a new set. Give your set a clear, descriptive title so you can easily find it later. Then, input your terms and their corresponding definitions, one pair per row. You can even add images or record audio to make your flashcards more engaging and memorable. Don't forget to organize your sets into folders for easy access. Quizlet offers several dynamic study modes to help you master your material. Flashcards mode provides a classic, self-paced review experience, perfect for initial memorization. For a more guided approach, try Learn mode, which adapts to your progress with different question types. Write mode helps solidify your understanding by prompting you to type out answers, improving recall and spelling. When you're ready for an assessment, Test mode simulates an exam environment. And for a quick, fun challenge, Match mode lets you race against the clock to pair terms and definitions. Beyond the core study modes, Quizlet offers several advanced features to enhance your learning. You can easily share your meticulously crafted study sets with friends or classmates, fostering collaborative learning. Joining classes allows you to access materials directly from your instructors, streamlining your study process. For those times you're without internet, utilize the offline mode to continue studying uninterrupted. Star important terms to create a focused study session on your most challenging concepts. For even more powerful tools, consider upgrading to Quizlet Plus, which offers features like smart grading and custom study paths.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.